Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe while you are over here. In today's lesson, we will look at the verb to be. We're going to look at the verb to be in the singular form. I am, she is, he is, you are. For example, I am Isolarius. I am from the UK. I am 23. Okay, I am 43. Let's not forget about the vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. If a word begins with a vowel, we have to use an. Otherwise, we use a. For example, I am a teacher. I am a doctor. But I am an engineer. I am an accountant. Okay, listen carefully. This is task number 1. Answer the following questions using the verb to be. A. What is your name? B. Where are you from? C. How old are you? And D. What do you do? Or what is your job? Don't forget to use an article when making the sentence for the last question. Use I am to start your sentences. For the third person, we use she is for female and he is for male. Let's look at this example. Name Malala Yousafzai. Country Pakistan. Age 23. Job activist for female education. An activist is a person who campaigns for some kind of social change. Malala Yousafzai campaigns for women's education all over the world. So let's talk about Malala using the verb to be. She is Malala Yousafzai. She is from Pakistan. She is 23. She is an activist. Next person, Mohamed Salah. Country, Egypt. Age, 28. Job, footballer. Again, let's use the verb to be to talk about Mohamed Salah. He is Mohamed Salah. He is from Egypt. He is 28. He is a footballer. Now it is your turn again. This is task 2. Talk about Shakira using the verb to be. Name Shakira. Country Colombia. Age 43. Like me. Job singer and songwriter. Use the verb to be to talk about Shakira. Make 4 complete sentences. For the last sentence, don't forget to use an article. Task 3. Talk about Mark Zuckerberg using the verb to be. Name Mark Zuckerberg. Country the US. Age 36. Job or occupation, internet entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is someone who starts their own business. Mark Zuckerberg started Facebook. We can also use the verb to be to talk about fruit. It is an apple. It is a red apple. It is fresh. When did I buy this? I don't know, I don't buy fruit. Excuse me. We also use the verb to be to talk about things. For example, it is a face mask. It is black. It is cheap. I paid, I think, a few pounds for it. Also, it is disposable. Disposable means you should throw it away after using it. Let's work on the pronunciation. Disposable. Disposable. 4 syllables. Disposable. Disposable. In order to learn, repeat afterwards. Disposable. Disposable. The final task is talk about this. Webcam. Webcam. Silver. New. I bought this a few weeks ago. New. Also, attachable. Attachable means it can be attached. Attachable. Hi, how's it going? Everything okay? Sorry, I'm just doing a video. Speak to you later, bye. So let's recap. What are the tasks that you need to do? Task 1 is answer these questions. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? And what do you do? Use the verb to be. Task 2, talk about Shakira. Words: Shakira, Colombia, 43, singer and songwriter. Don't forget to use the verb to be to talk about Shakira. Task 3, talk about Mark Zuckerberg using the verb to be. Name: Mark Zuckerberg. Country: the US. Age: 36. Job: internet entrepreneur. And the last task is talk about a webcam. Name: webcam. New. Silver. Attachable. You can write your answers in the comments section below, or you can post the answers in my Facebook group for learners. The details are in the description below. Don't forget, you can follow me on TikTok. There are videos on TikTok as well for you to learn English. Till next time, bye bye.